2028, AI and automation could impact over 800 million jobs. Feels crazy, right? Chatbots now handle queries, software replaces analysts, and even finance roles are going digital. But here's the scary part: the degree you're working on. It might reduce your chances of getting hired if you don't add the right skills. So what do? In this video, I'll break down 3 popular degrees that could leave you stuck and what you can add right now to stay future ready. Let's get into it. Degree number 1. BCOM. Plain. Doing just BCOM and nothing else? That's like carrying an empty school bag. Looks okay, but there's not much inside. Lakhs of students complete BCOM every year. So unless you stand out, you will be stuck in the crowd fighting for jobs that just pays 3 to 4 LPA. So here's what works. Add a global course like CMA USA, CPA, ACCA or EA. These are recognized worldwide and they show companies that have practical, job-ready skills, not just theory. Degree number 2 is BBA, without specialization. Next, let's talk about BBA. If you're doing a plain BBA without any added skills, that's like learning to drive but never getting behind the wheel. Yes, BBA gives you a bit of everything: marketing, HR, finance, but that's the problem. It's just a bit, not deep enough to help you stand out in the job market. So what should you do? Pair your BBA with courses like CMA USA or CFA. These are professional courses that actually teach you the skills companies are looking for. Now you might be thinking, how do I even start? I don't know, basics. That's exactly why we have FAF, Fundamentals of Accounting and Finance. I'll teach you finance and accounting concepts from scratch, and it'll set you up perfectly for courses like CMA USA or CPA or more. So now your BBA isn't just a degree, it becomes a career foundation. Degree number 3 is MBA. But where you do it matters. Now let's talk about MBA, the most well-known option. If you're doing an MBA from a top B school like IIM or XLRI, that's great. But here's the truth. Those programs cost 20 to 30 lakhs and not everyone gets in. Now if you're doing your MBA from a smaller college, you might spend around 8 to 10 lakhs, but your starting salary might be just 5 LPA. Now compare that to someone who does CPA or ACCA. They spend 3 to 4 lakhs and land 9 to 12 LPA jobs. Sometimes even international offers. So here's a smarter move. If you're doing MBA, make sure you add a professional course like CPA or ACCA alongside. That combo gives you global skills and much better return on investment. If this is making you rethink your plans, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Final thought, your degree isn't the end. It's just the starting point. What you add to it, that decides everything. So don't stop here. Watch top 5 future-proof courses after BCom 2025 edition. Let's level up.